If I had to describe Vrå in one word, I'd say welcoming.
I've learned to communicate and be open to a lot of people, because you get to meet different peoples and different cultures, and you get to understand each other.
Vrå Højskole is something where you discover yourself, you find something that you're good at, and you take some time for only yourself.
I feel like there's an inbuilt sense of community within the high school. There are lots of students, but at the same time you don't feel like you're boxed out in any way. You're immediately in there and you're part of a family.
Students and teachers have a more equal relationship at Vrå School than you would expect at a typical high school.
The teachers, they teach us, they take time to teach us, and it's really cool that we don't have exam, because we don't have the pressure to we have to do this perfectly. We're just enjoying ourselves and just doing our best.
It's just, I gain people for life there, and that's amazing. That's not everywhere, that you just get out of school and you learn things, and it's not only about that, but you just gain people in your life for life.
Every weekend just have party here, you know.
Vrå Højskole is an experience you need to live, because every time it's unique and different.
It's always a home. You always come back, and it's always your home.
We have good teachers who look at the students, not caring for their subjects, but they really look after the students and they get to know what's really happening individually. So I would suggest this place. It's really awesome.